Hello everyone! Today we're diving into the world of rugged smartphones with the Doogee S100 Pro. Upon unboxing, you find the phone itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a 33W charger, and a screen protector. The phone measures 178.5 x 83.1 x 27.3 mm and weighs a hefty 540 grams. This hefty phone boasts a 6.58 inches FHD plus IPS 120Hz screen with Gorilla Glass protection. The front camera is a 32MP Sony IMX616. We took some photos and videos to test it out, with the X2 zoom, X4 zoom, medium beauty mode, max beauty mode, black and white mode, and even recorded a FHD video with EIS. The Doogee S100 Pro is equipped with dual speakers on the top and bottom for high-res audio quality. On the left, there's a slot for dual SIM or a SIM and microSD, and the phone is fully compatible with 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. There's also a customizable button at the bottom. On the right side, you find volume plus / buttons and the power button with an integrated Touch ID. On the top, nothing. At the bottom, there's a hatch covering the USB-C port. Turning the phone over reveals a trio of cameras: a 108MP Samsung camera, a 20MP IR Sony IMX350, and a 16MP wide-angle lens. We tested all of these with various photo modes, zooms, and video tests, including photos in darkness, with flash, and with the 130 lumen LED light. Speaking of the LED, there's also a 130 lumen strip light, perfect for camping with its SOS, full light, hard light, or quarter light modes. Now seems like a great time to hit that like or dislike button. This phone's monstrous 22,000 mAh battery supports 33W charging and reversible OTG charging. The processor is a 6nm Helio G99, which scores 257126 on Antutu. Memory-wise, it comes with 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM plus microSD up to 2TB. And with memory expansion, you can add up to 8GB of virtual RAM. That's a whopping 20GB RAM in total. The phone runs on Android 12. We had no issues running games, demonstrated by our test with Real Racing 3. Other features include BT 5.0, Wi-Fi ABNAC, NFC, and FM radio with earphones. The Doogee S100 Pro is also IP68 and IP69 rated, making it a perfect companion for adventures, hiking, camping, and more. Other nifty features include a kids mode, a gaming mode, and a toolbox. It's priced at €479.99 on Amazon, but with an Amazon coupon of €60 and our discount code, FRS100PROGER, valid from 5.25 to 7.15, you can get it for just €371.99. In conclusion, this is a solid smartphone with a beautiful screen, great cameras, 32MP front and 108MP rear, ample RAM and ROM with a competent processor. The super bright 130 lumens LED might not be useful to everyone, but its massive 22,000 mAh battery will definitely sway your decision. Let us know what you think about this smartphone in the comments below. If you liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. We'd also appreciate your thoughts on the Doogee S100 Pro. Are you thinking of picking one up, or is there another smartphone on your radar? Let's get the discussion started. In our next video, we'll be diving into more tech reviews, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget, if you're interested in purchasing the Doogee S100 Pro, use our discount code, FRS100PROGER, valid from May 25th to July 15th, for an even better deal on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. We hope this review was helpful in your search for a new smartphone. Remember, whether it's for its stunning camera setup, the impressive audio quality, the immense battery capacity, or its robust durability, the Doogee S100 Pro offers a lot of value. This could very well be your next daily driver, or the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Until next time, this has been our review of the Doogee S100 Pro, the powerhouse smartphone that truly packs a punch. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. See you in the next video. Bye for now.